Who the fuck is this little nigga and why is he dual wielding? If I wanted to get cut this many times, nigga, I would have just jumped in a blender. Am I that ass? Why does short niggas be so angry?
I don't know.
Little man syndrome is whooping his ass. Who is this nigga's dad? Thor?
Yes.
Stop fucking playing.
So what's it like fighting Thorfinn?
It's like if Levi Ackerman had the Hulk's temper. He may be small, but that little nigga quick as a bitch, I can't breathe. Lenny tried to fight him alone once and got filleted so bad Gordon Ramsay would have been impressed. They just be sicking this nigga on whole villages like an attack dog. The way he looked at me.
Sir? Sir? Sir?
That's pure hatred in his eyes. He lived for this smoke. Whose badass little kid is this? Y'all niggas don't get whoopings no more? He ran up 95 kills in 20 minutes. Nigga, that's 3 nukes and
So
a
sit your ass down. Thank you.
Ain't no hostages, ain't no surrender. When you fight Thorfinn, it's to the death, and it's probably gonna be yours.